I, Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez, hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines and that I will obey the laws, so help me God.
Speaker Romualdez to Martin Romualdez.
Speaker Romualdez
Nicong Martin.
Speaker is our source of inspiration and our mentor and our guiding light.
Martin Romualdez!
I do not need a long introduction for this episode. All I'm going to say is this. Kayong lahat na mga hipokrito dyan sa Kongreso na gumawa ng sarili ninyong Panginoon na sinamba ninyong parang santo. Kayo na mga walang bayag palagan ang mali at tumulong pagtakpan ang mga kalokohan dyan dahil nakinabang kayo. Kayong lahat na mga traidor sa Pilipino na nagbigay ng boses sa duwag humarap sa mga taong ginawa niya ng kamalian.
I actually liked how Speaker Romualdez ran Congress. I was actually impressed at how he was able to unify Congress in a lot of major issues. Even the minority and even the independents were supportive of Romualdez's speakership.
Ang inaakusahan nila dito, si Boss Martin, sabi, tinago daw. Pero asan ang patunay na tinago talaga? Di ba ang sinabi ni Mike Defensor nung isang buwan o 2 buwan ago, nasa Marines daw. Ngayon, balik na naman kay Romualdez, di ba?
Hindi nyo makasuhan si Martin Romualdez. Makalilinis talaga yung pangalan ni Martin Romualdez kung wala siyang maharap. Alam nyo, hindi nyo madadala sa korte yan. Kaya puro press release, puro drama lang ang ginagawa din yung dalawa.
He publicly stated that he had no hand in the BICAM. Yun yung pinaka-consistent defense ni former speaker. And fortunate for him, maybe baka yun yung reason bakit yun yung defense na pinipili niya. Talagang wala kasing malilink sa kanya sa BICAM or sa small committee.
All of you will owe all of us, the Filipino people, an apology after this episode because I am coming for your God. It is now time to pick apart and take down the dirty house he built on insatiable greed for money and power.
Mabuhay ang Kongreso ng Taumbayan, mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Ferdinand Martin Romualdez, welcome to the show. Well, uminom muna kayo dahil papunta na tayo sa nakakaiyak at nakakagalit na part. Go ahead.